I am going to say some problems regarding the compound angles now. So, today's topic in this video is problems on compound angles. Problem: if A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, then prove that tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. Right? Solve this. Here A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So multiply both sides with tan. Tan of A plus B plus C is equal to tan 180. So tan of A plus B plus C is equal to tan 180 degrees value is 0. So now we know that the formula for tan A plus B plus C, that is tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A, tan B, tan C divided by 1 minus tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A. This equals 0. So from this, tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan C is equal to 0. So now finally tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. So finally we proved it. Here, if tan inverse 1 by 2, tan inverse 1 by 3 are the angles, then find tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3. Now, let tan inverse 1 by 2 is equal to alpha. Then, tan alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Right? In the same way, tan inverse 1 by 3 is equal to beta. Then tan beta is equal to 1 by 3. Now we know that tan of alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. Now tan alpha plus beta is equal to, here tan alpha is 1 by 2 plus tan beta is 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus tan alpha is 1 by 2 into tan beta 1 by 3. Then tan of alpha plus beta is equal to, here LCM is 6. So 3 plus 2 by, here 6 minus 1 by 6. Here also the LCM is 6 for 2 and 3. So now cancel 6 and 6. Then 3 plus 2 by 6 minus 1. So that implies tan of alpha plus beta is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5 by 6 minus 1 is 5. So 5 by 5 is 1. So 1. Here tan alpha plus beta is equal to 1 can be written as tan 45. So then tan get cancelled, then alpha plus beta is equal to 45. But we consider that alpha is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. So alpha is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2 plus beta. Beta we consider as tan inverse 1 by 3. Tan inverse 1 by 3. So is equal to pi by 4. Because as per radian system, pi is equal to 180 degrees. Then 45 can be written as pi by 4. So finally we got the conclusion that tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 is equal to pi by 4. And that is the question asked. So we got the solution. If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1, then sin theta can be. So see here, secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. Now we have to do squaring on both sides. So that implies secant theta plus tan theta whole square is equal to 1. Then secant square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 secant theta tan theta is equal to 1. Now secant square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 secant theta into tan theta is equal to, here 1 can be written as secant square theta minus tan square theta according to the identity. Now secant square theta get cancelled, and when this RHS term is transferred to LHS, then 2 tan square theta plus 2 secant theta into tan theta is equal to 0. Now take 2 as common and cancel. Then tan square theta plus secant theta into tan theta is equal to 0. So now tan square theta can be written as sin square theta by cos square theta plus here secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta into tan theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Sin theta by cos theta. That equals 0. So then sin square theta plus sin theta by cos square theta is equal to 0. So that implies sin square theta plus sin theta is equal to 0. So taking sin common, sin theta into sin theta plus 1 is equal to 0. So here sin theta is equal to 0 or sin theta is equal to minus 1. So there exists two values for sin theta. So then sin theta can be 0, minus 1. First, let us examine the question first. Tan A is to tan B is to tan C is equal to 3 is to 4 is to 5. So tan A is equal to 3k. So let us consider that tan B is equal to 4k and tan C is equal to 5k. So generally here A, B, C three angles are given. Then definitely these three angles are angles of a triangle. So in triangle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. In previous question I said you that I derived a formula of tan angles, that is tan A into tan B into tan C is equal to tan A plus tan B plus tan C. So tan A is 3k into tan B is 4k into, and tan C is 5k. That equals tan A 3k plus 4k plus 5k. So 60k cube is equal to 12k. So then cancel the k terms on both sides. Then first 60k cube can be written as 60k square into k is equal to 12k. So k get cancelled and 12 5 times. So 5k square is equal to 1. Then k square is equal to 1 by 5. That implies k is equal to 1 by root 5. Okay. Now see, we consider that tan A is equal to 3k. Then tan A is equal to 3k. Here k is 1 by root 5. So 3 by root 5. Come on. Tan B is 4k. So 4 by root 5. In the same way, tan C is 5k. So that is 5 by root 5. Now we have to draw a triangle. We got tan A is 3 by root 5 and tan B is 4 by root 5, and in the same way tan C is 5 by root 5. So we know that generally tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Then first consider a right angle triangle. So assume that this is angle A and here also a right angle triangle, and assume that this is angle B and here a right angle triangle with angle C. So now opposite side by adjacent side. Here 3 is the opposite side and 5 is root 5 is the adjacent side. So for A, opposite side is 3 and adjacent side is root 5. And here for tan B, opposite side is 4 and adjacent side is root 5. For tan C, opposite side is 5 and adjacent side is root 5. So now by using the Pythagoras theorem, here this hypotenuse square is equal to root 5 whole square plus 3 square. So 14. So now hypotenuse is equal to root 14 for angle A. For angle B, hypotenuse is equal to root over root 5 whole square plus 4 square. So that is root over root 5 whole square is 5 plus 4 square is 16. So root 21. So here hypotenuse is equal to root over root 5 whole square plus 5 square. So that implies root over root 5 whole square is 5 plus 5 square is 25. So that is root 30. So from this, here it is root 14, here root 21, and it is root 30. So now from this, sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So 3 by root 14 and sin B is equal to opposite side 4 by root 21, and here sin C is equal to, here opposite side is 5 and hypotenuse is root 30, 5 by root 30. Sin A is equal to 3 by root 14 and sin B 4 by root 21, comma, sin C is equal to 5 by root 30. Now we need the ratio of sin A is to sin B is to sin C. Here sin A is 3 by root 14 is to sin B 4 by root 21 is to 5 by root 30, and hence it is the ratio of 3 sine angles of ABC. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, comment and like. If you want any topic, mention in the comment section below. Then I can explain that video, that concept and post a video regarding that topic. Thank you.